Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXmate. Today we're going to learn how to create the cool AI generated vintage post stamp in ChatGPT with any of your image. So without any further ado, let's jump into the ChatGPT and get started with it. Well, before that, make sure you're already subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting future notifications with all upcoming uploads. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon next to it, and let's start with the video. So here I am in ChatGPT, so I'll quickly add the prompt here. Prompt is pretty simple. So we are letting ChatGPT know that a vintage postage stamp style illustration of the uploaded image, preserving the original characteristics of the layout and the character, colorful and flat tone, comic style, vector illustration, realistic cartoon face, detailing and pre-formatted border edges, retro 80s Indian ad style, clean outlines, bold highlights, and vintage colors, not sepia. Vibrant colors, not sepia. And we are also letting it know that add a name, UXmate on the top. You can change it with your name. You can change your photo. If you want to make any adjustments in the prompt, feel free to do it. This is just a basic prompt to start with, and then you can add your own customizations to the prompt, and feel free to customize the prompt. You can then generate your own AI styled or AI generated postage vintage stamp. So I'll quickly select an image. So I'll go to plus, upload from the computer, and I'll select one image which I want, and you can give any image which you want. Make sure the image is a bit clear and not the blurry one, so it generates a better result. And now let's send the query. So now it will take some time to generate the image depending on the server load, as it is next trend, so everyone is trying to generate their own postcards, vintage postcards, but have patience, and it takes around 2 to 8 minutes depending on the server load. So here it has started generating the postcard. So let's not postcard, but the stamp, postage stamp. So let it generate. Meanwhile it is generating, make sure you go ahead and click on the like button on the video, and also add the comment if you have started generating it or not. And if not, then do it right now, because this is going to be viral soon. So I'll also fast forward this, because probably that can take some time and I don't want to waste your time. Well guys, while this is generating the image, make sure you have watched all other videos on the channel. If you want to be a designer, then you can start along with the playlists on the channel where you can learn UI UX designing, you can learn Figma, you can start creating your own designs for free of course, because Figma is free, open source. We have a dedicated video or a dedicated playlist on the Figma. So go ahead and check it out while you are generating these images here. And now it has created the awesome postcard, not postcard, sorry, but the vintage stamp from the uploaded image, and this looks awesome guys. I am loving it already. And go ahead and generate your own, and well, before that, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, write the comment, and then leave the video. Also make sure you share this with all your friends and colleagues, that they will also generate similar images very quickly. And yeah, that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.